Hi there, I'm Brant Huseman, Director of Customer Experience at Banyan Hill Publishing. In this video, I'll cover how to open a brokerage account so you can make your first investments in the stock market. I'll go over the different types of brokerage accounts available and what you should consider to decide which is the right account for you. First, let's go over two types of brokerage firms. Brokerage firms fall into two categories: full-service and discount brokerages. A full-service broker is a licensed financial brokerage firm that provides a large variety of services to its clients. This can include research and advice, retirement planning, tax tips, and much more. It's very easy to open your personal account with a full-service broker to simply buy and sell stocks and other financial assets. However, you can expect to pay higher commissions. Full-service brokers include Fidelity, Goldman Sachs, and Morgan Stanley, to name a few. The second type of brokerage firm available is known as a discount broker. Discount brokers cater to investors who simply want to execute buy and sell orders without any extra services and charge little to no commission fees for doing so. They're often referred to as online brokers as they require you to place orders over the internet. Because of the low fee, they typically require funds to be in your account at the time a trade is placed. Discount brokers include TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, and Scottrade, but you can easily Google discount brokers to find more. Whichever type of brokerage firm you choose, signing up is easy. You can apply online through a simple form. On your application, you'll find you are required to designate the type of account and form of ownership for the account. It's best to contact your broker or your tax advisor for advice on designating which type is best for you. They can also help you with any additional options available, like adding margin to your account. Once you have your account open, you'll need to add funds. Most brokerage firms will accept different ways of adding money, such as a check, cashier's check, stock and bond deposits, or transfers from other brokers and banks. Now, you may be wondering, what if I already have a brokerage account but want to switch to another brokerage firm? No problem. You can easily transfer your assets to a new broker by filling out a simple form your brokerage firm will provide. A transfer usually takes a couple of weeks. Now, you may want to confirm with the new broker that all of your assets will transfer, as some have proprietary funds. These proprietary funds may hold up the process if you don't disclose them beforehand. Once you've opened your account and added funds to it, you'll be ready to start trading stocks and well on your way to building wealth. I hope this video was helpful in establishing your brokerage account. You can call us at 866-584-4096 between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday, or visit us at www.banyanhill.com for more details or to answer any questions you might have. In part 2 of this video series, I'll discuss how to place your first order. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.